Our modern environment exists because over the years we have harnessed energy to learn, energy to build, energy to sustain, and energy to evolve. Since the 1920s, our energy team has helped increase New Zealand's capacity to deliver power and gas services, enabling our economy to grow. From the days of the electrical power boards, to Powerco, then Tenex, and to finally becoming part of Downer in 2014, we have seen plenty of change since our beginnings as a traditional power and gas distributor. And through it all, we have been with Aotearoa every step of the way. Our ambition is to be the energy partner of choice for cities, communities, and industry partners. We work with some of New Zealand's largest asset owners and energy providers to maintain their critical networks and assets across the country. Our whole-of-life approach creates positive outcomes for all New Zealanders. The services and solutions we deliver impact almost every facet of our nation, so our faults emergency response team is out there 24/7 doing the mahi to keep our communities sustained, connected and thriving. There are more than 500 of us in the energy team, and we are committed to being kaitiaki, guardians of New Zealand's future. We are focused on protecting our environment through reducing carbon emissions. Downer is one of New Zealand's largest and most experienced providers in the renewable energy market and power system sectors. Just one wind farm we are helping to build will provide enough electricity to power 375,000 vehicles per year. We support power and road authorities and cities to help keep commuters safe through our leading streetlight installation and maintenance services. Our underground service locators business is one of Aotearoa's largest underground utility locators, which helps our clients conduct their work safely. We embrace innovative technology to prepare for the future through using in-house software applications to provide our clients with real-time reporting. But we don't just deliver a service. We create longevity for the industry through the relationships we develop. Mā te whanaungatanga ka angitu, relationships creating success. It's not just a slogan, it is something that we live and breathe. It underpins our mahi in safety, thought leadership, relationships and delivery. As a key player in building Aotearoa's critical networks and infrastructure, we partner with our clients and leading industry bodies to tackle issues and adapt to change in our markets so we can support our customers. We train and develop talented individuals and work with trusted subcontractors and suppliers. Why do we do it? He tangata, he tangata, he tangata. It is for the people, it is for you, and it is for me. From the New Zealand we built together as energy powered up Aotearoa, to now as we decarbonise and reimagine energy, Downer stands with you to build the enduring, secure and long-lasting Aotearoa we need.